So over here, you can see that I have a Microsoft Teams meeting running right here. And what you can also do inside of Microsoft Teams is share out presentations as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto share right here. And then over here on the bottom, you can see PowerPoint Live is an option. Once you get to that, you need to go around and select a presentation, and you can either browse OneDrive or browse a presentation file from your computer. So I'm going to click browse from my computer right here, and then here you can see that a presentation file is present. So I'm just going to go around, select it, and open it right here. So now what happens is that the file starts getting uploaded, but since I uploaded a presentation already beforehand as well, you see this option right here. You have an option to replace the presentation or upload a copy right here. So I'm just going to go around and replace right ahead because I don't want the old presentation file anymore. So once that is done, you can see that the PowerPoint Live actually opens up and you see the presentation controls right here, just like this. So you can go around and navigate around different slides right here. And what the other users will see is this right here. They will just see the slide, as you can see, but you see all of the presentation control. You can control out your presentation from over here, access out, let's say, for example, grid view. And whenever you're seeing this, all the other people will see is this. They will just see the main slide that is being presented. So you can go around and select out the slide that you want, and that will be shared out with other people. You see different options over here, just like this, and access out all the presentation option right here. You can work around with laser pointer, as you can see, to highlight out different areas, as you can see right here. You can also go around and use the pen right here to write something on the presentation right here to highlight out different things, and then even erase out the marks right here. So that is how you can work around and share out your presentation directly from Microsoft Teams. And if you were to click on stop presenting, then you can stop sharing out the presentation slide just like this. So that is how you can share out presentation inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.